Be very careful and gentle with your skin. You don't need to really burn that pimple out. Hi everyone, welcome to our Review Beauty channel. This is the channel about beauty brands, the encyclopedia about beauty brands. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and definitely thumbs up this video. In this video today we're talking about Zapzyt. This is the 10% benzoyl peroxide gel. It's the maximum strength, and before they didn't even have the products like this strong, like 10%. It's a very small tube, but trust me, you don't really need a lot. So the active ingredient is obviously benzoyl peroxide, 10% of it, and this is the gel that you're supposed to apply topically, say on the breakouts, and you could also apply it on the areas, so to prevent or like heal or cure the blackheads, the black pores, the stuff, the blackheads, the whiteheads. So you do not need, or you pretty much can't use this product if you have sensitive skin or any irritation, if your skin is dehydrated. And if you've never ever used the benzoyl peroxide products before, I would recommend you to start with a lower percentage. I believe the other one they have is 5%. Do a little patch test, see how your face reacts, because with overuse you might really damage your skin barrier and you might develop allergy. Also, if you're using any other medicated products at the same time, say salicylic acid, it might also increase the dryness, irritation of your skin. So itching and peeling, burning actually is possible, or possible swelling, but if you see that the mild irritation might be reduced by using this product less frequently or in lower concentration. And if irritation becomes severe, definitely discontinue the use and consult the doctor. So there is really a short list of ingredients in here. So this is it, guys. It's your call. Be very careful and gentle with your skin. You don't need to really burn that pimple out. So make sure the rest of your skincare is actually correct. This is very important. Anyways, if you like this video, put a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know. See you later. Bye.